everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Gen X, and here in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get some new free overlays for your live streams. All of these overlays can be found at overlays.uno. I'll have the link for you in the description below. I'll also link their Discord, where you'll be able to link with other content creators and get help from the developers of the overlays themselves. If this video helps you out at all, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. It helps my videos grow. Appreciate it. All right, let's show you all how to do this. All right, to get started, you're gonna head on over to overlays.uno. I'll have the link for you in the description below. If you haven't already, you'll have to create an account. It is completely free. Go ahead and click sign up. Go ahead, put in your email address, create a password, and then click sign up. Once you're done creating your account here on the homepage, you can click library. Here in the library, it'll show you the thousands of free overlays that you can get for free here at overlays.uno. It doesn't matter what type of situation you have, whether you be a live streamer or you're streaming for a sporting event. Overlays Uno has it all for you. Once you find the overlay that you want to use, go ahead and click on it. And then click on Add to My Overlays. Now your new free overlay will show under My Overlays here on the left-hand side. To get started, go ahead and click these three dots right here, and then click Open. Here on this page, you'll be able to control everything that has to do with your new overlay. There are dozens of options. Here on the Control tab, you'll be able to turn which ones are on and off. Each part of your overlay has its own tab. Here on the Live tab, you'll see that I'm able to control what's on the top right-hand corner of my new overlay. If I change the word live to new, you'll see that now it changes the word up top from live to new. Or let's say you're not live on YouTube, you're live on Twitch. So you want to type in Twitch right here. Now it'll say live from Twitch. Down here you can also control which side of the screen you want it on, either the left or the right. On the lower third tab of my new overlay, I'm able to control all of these settings as well. Where it says free overlays, I can change it to say new live stream. And that immediately updates it. It even has an animation when it changes. Everything is customizable. Here on the RSS ticker, you're able to control what is being said at the bottom on the ticker. So whatever you say down here shows up in your live stream. And just like that, it'll change it at the bottom of the ticker. Once you're done setting up all of your overlays, you can now customize them here on the Customization tab. You'll be able to change the colors of the backgrounds and the text. It's completely customizable. All you have to do is click on the tab right here, and then you could select any color you want from the drawbar down here. And when you're done selecting your color, you can move it around here to a different shade, whatever shade you'd like. You can even add a hex if you want, if you have an exact hex number. Now that you're done customizing your overlay, it's time to bring it into OBS Studio. Go ahead and click this button right here that says Copy Output URL. It'll copy your output URL to your clipboard. Once you have OBS Studio open, you're gonna go ahead down here and you're gonna hit the plus button under Sources. And then go ahead and add a browser source. You can go ahead and create new and name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name mine Uno Overlay. Click OK. And then when the properties for your new browser source opens, under this URL tab right here, you're gonna paste the new URL that you have on your clipboard. Go ahead, delete the one that's in there, and then right-click and paste. Now go ahead and click OK. As you can see, it has added our new overlay. We just need to make it the right size. You can just drag it using the drag option right here. Now that we have your overlay added to OBS, we can head back over to overlays.uno. Once you're back on overlays.uno, you're gonna click this button right here to copy your control URL. Once you've copied your control URL, you can now open back OBS Studio. And you're gonna go up here to Docs, and you're gonna choose Custom Browser Docs. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name mine Uno. And then over here under URL, you're gonna paste the new URL that you just got from overlays.uno. Click Apply, and then click Close. Now here under the Docs tab, you're gonna see your brand new Uno doc. Go ahead and click it. Now you don't have to open up your browser anymore to control your new overlay. It's got a dock right here in OBS where you could turn off the docks right here. To make it easier, you can even extend your dock a little bit like this. And then you can click on the settings tab over here and you can add multiple panels. So if I wanted to control 4 different things at once, I can click 4 and it'll show all 4 panels that I want to work on. And the other cool thing that you could do with the copy control URL is that you can copy this URL and you can send it to a friend. They'll be able to open up your controls for your new overlay on their end and be able to control it for you. This is good for sporting events and also for your mods on Twitch. Well, now that you've got your new overlay into OBS and you've got your new control set up with your new docks in OBS, there's one more cool thing that you can do to control your new overlay. Click on this copy Uno token right here, and what that's gonna do is give you a token so you can control everything that you've just set up with your Stream Deck. Back here on the Overlays Uno homepage, you'll be able to find the Stream Deck plugin option at the bottom of the screen. Here on the Stream Deck plugin screen, scroll down until you find Plugin Direct Download. When you click it, it'll start your download. It's very quick. When you're done, go ahead and click Open File. You'll see that the Uno Overlays plugin is immediately downloaded. You'll now see Uno Overlays here at the right-hand side. If you click it, it'll give you the option for Uno Control. Go ahead and drag an Uno Control to your Stream Deck. Here's where you're going to paste in your Uno token that you just got. Click Enter, and it's going to show you more options. Here on Action, you'll be able to choose what happens when you click the button. For this video, we're going to choose Toggle Overlay. Here under Overlay, we're going to be able to choose what part of the overlay we want to show and hide. Let's choose Talking Points. Now here back on OBS Studio, when I click our new button that we just set up on Stream Deck, it's going to take away the talking points on the left. And if we click it again, it's going to bring them right back. You could set up buttons on your Stream Deck for every single part of your overlay. It's completely customizable. But that's it, everybody. It's as easy as that to get set up over there at overlays.uno. If this video helped you out at all, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see y'all next time. And remember, don't be toxic. Spread positivity.